In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Firestick not turning on smart TV. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. And it can be really frustrating if your Firestick is just not being detected, no matter what you do. So if I go over and I go and locate my inputs, I see Amazon Fire TV Stick right there. But if you don't see it, then what you want to do is basically just locate the back of your TV. And if you have your Amazon Fire TV stick plugged in, try and plug it into a different port to see if that works. Of course, just make sure that the switch is turned on, obviously. And then what you want to do is just go over to your Fire Stick, and then you're going to see a lot of different options. But what we want to do from this point is go over to our settings. So once it loads, you're going to see a lot of different things, and it says we might be unable to load this product. But what we're going to do is just go over to settings and just ignore whatever comes up. You're going to see a lot of different things right here. So what we're going to do here now is go over to equipment control. And this is going to be very important because right now we're going to go to manage equipment and we're going to see TV. This is going to fine tune your TV and everything. So what we're going to do is change TV. Right now it says my current TV is Samsung. So that's because I have a Samsung TV. I set it up that way. So whatever TV you have, whether you're on, Samsung, LG, Hisense, whatever you might have, you need to actually, change the TV here manually so that it works properly and your Fire Stick is always connected. So what you're going to do, it says with it, you're going to be able to, turn off everything and things like that. But you're going to have to go through this setup and configure whatever TV you have. And then once you do that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.